Hello MIDI learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see frequency adverbs. Let's start. What are frequency adverbs? Adverbs with a temporary meaning. Adverbs that mean a frequency. Here are the most common frequency adverbs. Always, often, usually, sometimes, never. If you have the Spanish translation and you've got them ordered from more to less frequency. Frequency adverbs go before the verb, except with the verb to be. Now we are going to see what happens with the verb to be. Example, I always cook dinner at 8 o'clock. Look always goes before cook, the verb. With the verb to be, these adverbs go after the verb. For example, she is never worried about money. Is goes before never. I'm going to give you a clue for remembering this. The verb to be is the most important verb, so it should go before these adverbs. In questions, we are going to write them after the subject. For example, do you usually cook? Look here, we have written the frequency adverb after the subject. First the auxiliary verb, then the subject, and then the frequency adverb. What does she always drink for lunch? Look here, the frequency adverb is after the subject. Or, are you sometimes stressed? It goes after the subject. Here you have some exercise where you have to write these sentences in the correct order. Please be careful with the order of the adverbs. The exercise continues here, and I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.